coming from ATTAC, A-T-T-A-C, I guess. I hope that you know ATTAC, and ATTAC is one of the organizations involved in this broad platform of social movements, NGOs, environmental organizations, which decided last year, at June or September, I don't remember, to launch a broad call for mobilizations toward the G8 and the G20 for the French presidency of the G20. And ATTAC is actually one of the organizations coordinating the process. So, I don't know, perhaps, I don't know if you are aware of the agenda and the dates and so on, but I will go through that. The G8 is at the end of May, the official summit is at the end of May in Deauville, the 26th and 27th of May. And the plan we've started to develop is to organize a weekend, the weekend before 21st and 22nd of May in Le Havre. So the city in front of Deauville that you probably all know. A weekend of mobilizations, both Saturday, a big demonstration, big rally, that's the right word, right? And concert and something, I mean, broad, open to the local people, public, and so on. And the Sunday, rather workshops, debates, one day of alternative forum somehow. So it's not in Deauville, it's not at the same time than the official summit. There will be, of course, some direct actions organized by local groups and by some of our organizations also during the summit as such. So a few days afterwards. But this is, I mean, the main big stuff is in Le Havre the weekend before, 21st and 22nd. There are also a couple of, I mean, thematic meetings planned. There is a G20 agriculture, which is end of June. Some, I mean, around the 22nd, 23rd of June, I think, or 23rd and 24th, but whatever, the end of June. And there are also some groups like, I mean, groups from La Via Campesina and people involved in food sovereignty campaigns that plan to organize counter events. They are also organizing some popular education stuffs before. So this is the second thing. And there is the G20 itself in Cannes, 3rd and 4th of November. And the plan that the coalition started to work out is to have an alternative forum counter summit. We didn't really decide exactly which name we will give to this thing. From the 30th of October to the 2nd of November, with a big demo the 1st of November, and it may be in Nice. So Cannes is in the southeast of France, and it's a wealth city of tourism for high-level social classes and so on. So there is no way for us to find, I mean, accommodation there and so on. So we will do camping, try to find alternative ways to accommodate them out there and so on. So, and the counter events, maybe in Nice, it's about 20-25 kilometers far on the coast as well. It's not totally sure yet, because we are still talking with the local groups of our organizations which will do the concrete things, so we have also to understand a little bit better what the facilities are there, because there is Nice, and they are pushing for Nice because most of them are from Nice. But there is an interesting city closer to Cannes, a small one, which is led by a leftist local authority, and they would be ready to host our activities, but not to offer us accommodation because it's too small. So we are still trying to Europe.
Which town?
Hmm?
Which town?
You want to know the name? It's Mouan Sartou. No, it's not a village. It's a small, very small city in the countryside. In the land, you know. Northeast. Yeah, about, I think it's 8 kilometers, something like that. So that's it. Counter Summit with 1 day of demonstration, the 1st of November, and we are also trying to negotiate with the French government to get access for, some, I don't know, delegates to Cannes for the 3rd and the 4th of November during the summit, because the whole area will be closed, of course. So we are still trying to see whether some, people from the groups interested in getting access in the area, and not for lobby or whatever, but rather to bring partners, people from the south, closer to the media. That's the idea. And also, of course, but this is still to be discussed, created, and so on. We will also organize some more concrete and direct actions, mobilizations. We don't know exactly what yet. During the summit itself, depending on which access we will have, because it will be really complicated. It sounds that it won't be easy to get close to the space. So that's, more or less what's, in the pipe for now. I don't know if you want to hear more about the agenda and what these people will discuss and what we want to bring, what our agenda is. As a G8, this is more about, mainly about security, terrorism, fighting terrorism, stability in hot areas, Middle East, Africa, and of course also the new wars will, I guess, come also into the agenda, because France has been key in pushing the war in Libya and now in Ivory Coast, so it may be at the agenda as well. We have no clarity yet about what they will really discuss, because the agenda is pretty broad and there are a lot of things that Sarkozy really wanted to have something impressive for communication, but he doesn't really have any kind of marge de manœuvre to get anything or to negotiate. So I think that eventually there won't be any real key discussion beside these issues of the war. I think, which will be really at the heart of the agenda. But for us, this is more about fighting the austerity plans, fighting war. There will be a lot of things around migration, I think, because groups involved in solidarity actions with migrants will be here, I guess. So this will be, our main, our messages. Our slogan, I don't know, John, if you can translate that. I don't remember what word you used in our previous meeting, but our slogan is G8 dégage in French. So that's the same slogan that the Tunisian and the Egyptian movements used to throw their dictators away. So it's like, move out or get out. Clear off.
That's right.
Yeah. And as John explained, the G20 is more about financial and economic issues. In France, but I think that it's also the case abroad. More groups are interested in mobilizing around the G20 than for the G8. For us, this is first, the G20 is not legitimate to decide for the people. That's one, because they are, as we used to say, they are 20 and we are, billions. So that's still something that we want to put forward. And second, this is more of the same. These are the government and the policies that brought us in the situation we are now. So that we don't want more of the same. So there are, I mean, of course, a lot of technical discussions. Some groups are going, I mean, more into the details of the negos. Like, for instance, we work on that in ATTAC. All this issue about the financial transaction tax. Is it possible to get one tax which may curb speculation, and also, enable us to get money, so for solidarity, both in Europe and with the South. But this is something, I mean, which is not for us, I mean, at the top of the agenda. This is mobilizations before, because we want to show that this G20 and G8 are legitimate, and that these are not the bodies that we want to lead for us.